Today I'll be making cauliflower roast. It is very simple recipe and this is authentically made which is very tasty and awesome recipes. So please see the whole video. I'm going to make this wonderful recipe and the recipe is given at the end of the video. This is Jayasree Kadai Katha. I welcome you all viewers. So, how beautiful this cauliflower roast looks like you can see. Let's begin. I've taken cauliflower 300 grams and I've put in little salt water and then remove the cauliflower in a strainer so that excess water gets removed. I've taken a mixie jar. I'll blend some masalas. I've taken cashew nut and kismis in the jar. I've taken sesame seed and watermelon seeds. I've taken khaskhas or poppy seeds, coriander seeds I've taken, and I've taken cumin seeds and red chili whole, stalk removed, and I'll grind it to a fine paste. And I've taken green chili. Now I'll put water and make it into fine paste. Initially I have grind it. Now I've taken a kadai, put little oil and fry the cauliflower till light brown. Until that I'll not remove. So cook it and the cauliflower is cut into large chunks. You can very well see it's not small florets, it's large chunks. So when somebody is served with this cauliflower, it looks really good and beautiful roasting. I've taken yogurt and beating it with a whisk and I'll put some basic masalas and the paste what I've put in the mixie. Turmeric, salt, Kashmiri red chili for the color and then beat it with the whisk and so that it really mix up and little kasuri methi and see how beautiful this cauliflower is to be seen. So I'll put little salt now and stir it and it's done and remove. Now in the kadai you can see there is no oil. I'll put little oil, and then do the tempering for this dish. Some cumin, Javitri, 1 cinnamon stick, and 4 cardamom, green cardamom, and 1 bay leaf. When its flavor comes to the nose, put the masala, the blended masala with the basic masala what I have put into this oil. See, the temperature is so high, it immediately seasons. Now, I'll see that all the water gets dries up and oil comes out of the gravy. Until then, cook it slowly and with passion. See that it doesn't burn. And take your own time. So it looks really cooks really good and it gives a beautiful aroma. See, and it comes into this kind of consistency, saucy consistency. You can very well see the oil will start coming out of that gravy. Now you have to put the cauliflower and fry it along with the gravy so that the masala gets into the cauliflower, and you have to reduce further so that it really sticks to the cauliflower. Then I put fresh green peas, which is seasoned only in winter in India. So I'll put all the green peas, which is 50 grams basically, and cook it along with the cauliflower. When it dries up, and you can see when the oil is to be seen with the near to the base of the bottom of the pan, you can see oil is really coming out of the gravy. In that position or in that situation, you have to put hot water. See, you can see the oil. Oil is moving out. Now, in this point of cooking, you have to put the hot water. I will put the water in the bowl where I have put the mixture. The same bowl I will put so that all the sticking masalas, the sauce, that would curd, everything comes out of it. And you have to put the lid and cook it for minimum 10 to 12 minutes so that it becomes really tender. In between I'll check if it is cooked or not, and close the lid properly so that the steam doesn't escape. Occasionally you have to stir. If the sauce is boiling, it will never catch up with the water. You have to understand that. And see, it's looking really eye appealing and want to eat so beautiful. When this semi gravy kind of thing still cooking, like you see, in this position you have to put the lid. No, you have to turn off the fire and put lit ghee and then stop the cooking. Now it's ready to be served. I'll take this in a bowl. The recipe is given at the end of this video. Starts now. Any doubt, you can very well see and try the recipe. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.